Adobe Marketing Cloud. This is Peter. As a marketing professional, Peter speaks the language of his customers. In order to reach them, he has to deliver the right content through the right channels to the right devices and provide a personalized experience. That's why he needs to collect lots of data. However, processing big data is complex. His online presence must be consistent across devices, channels, and languages, while ensuring a personalized experience. Peter also needs to efficiently manage and measure his social marketing activities and optimize his marketing spend on search and display. So, is there a solution that can address these challenges? Fortunately, there is. It's the Adobe Marketing Cloud. Leveraging 5 solutions, Peter can comfortably master digital marketing step by step. Adobe Experience Manager enables Peter to create a digital appearance that helps build his brands and drive demand while working seamlessly across all devices. Using Adobe Social, Peter can monitor the progress in his social media channels, which helps him to be current with his community's digital sentiment. Adobe Analytics collects, analyzes, and divides visitors into segments, allowing Peter to get the insights he needs to understand digital body language. Adobe Target uses these insights to deliver truly relevant content to meet the needs of Peter's customers and increase conversion. Adobe Target understands customer preferences and personalizes every page instantly. Adobe Media Optimizer lets Peter deliver targeted ads and leverage data to optimize ad spend, intelligently predicting and forecasting campaign performance. Peter now has the perfect end-to-end solution, the Adobe Marketing Cloud. Go from data to insights to action faster and smarter than ever, based on metrics, not myths. Visit us now.